what kind of a response we would get. And this is about a perfect case scenario. We're going to go on the air here at 7:06, so we're a couple of minutes away, about 4 minutes away. And just to kind of give you an overview of the night, obviously the world champion WVU marching band members are here. Thank you very much for our very guys coming out. We're good. Yep. Led by the father of Oakland, West Virginia, Jay Brewery. And if you haven't contributed yet to the Pride Travel Fund, those folks are going on the road twice this year to road games. You can contribute at pridetravelfund.com. Obviously, the world's greatest cheerleaders, the WVU cheerleaders, are here. Thank you all very much for coming out.
And by the permission, you're about to receive number 7. Listen to WVU.com. Live from Waterfront Place Hotel in Louisville, it's the Bill Stewart Show. Here's your host, 23.
And across the state of West Virginia, we welcome you in. This is the season debut of Bill Stewart Statewide Sportsline on this, the second day of September 2009. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a live studio audience inside the main ballroom.